How to change Amazon Prime Video's audio language. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can change Amazon Prime Video's audio language. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to primevideo.com, or you can also open the Prime Video app. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to click on the profile icon. Once you click on profile icon, you will find different options. Click on the one that says account and settings. That's going to bring you to this option. Here, you want to click on languages. Once you click on languages, a bunch of languages will appear. As you can see, it is currently set to English. If you want to change the language, then simply select whichever language it is that you prefer. Go ahead and click on this circle. Once you have selected that, scroll down and click on the save option. Once you click on this, the language is going to be changed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.